How's it going, guys? This is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. I will be replacing the Bluetooth board on the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones. So let's begin. So the first thing you're going to need is a replacement Bluetooth board. Here it is. A pry tool. And so the Bluetooth board is located on the left side of the Solo 3 wireless headphones, right underneath this panel here. So the way you remove the panel is grab your pry tool and carefully pry it up gently on the edges here, just along the sides of the panel. Once you get the outside parts kind of unclipped, you can move on to here, along these edges here. You just push it up just like this, and it comes apart. So you want to be careful not to rush that process, because these clips here do break if you're not very careful. So now we can see that the Bluetooth board is exposed, and what you'd want to do is remove this first piece of tape here, put it to the side, and unclip all these three clips. So use a kind of a flathead screwdriver to unclip these clips here. There goes one, two, and then the final one. This one here, they do add a little bit of glue or adhesive to kind of hold it in place, so it might be a little harder, but just slowly. Don't rush this or else you'll break a clip. Just like this. So lift these wires up like this. And you don't have to remove the wires from this point here, because the board doesn't depend on that. So at this point, grab a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew these 4 screws here. Just like that. And once you unscrew that, you can raise the board, take it off, and if this center cap here also will fall off, you can put that back in. And now let's install the new board. So just lay it down exactly how you took the other one off and screw in the 4 screws. Once you got those 4 screws screwed in, you can clip these clips back in. So this black wire here clips in the first port, just like that. This blue and red one goes in the second one, or the middle port. And this last wire here is clipped here, so you kind of need to position it to get a easier clip right here. So all of them are clipped in now. At this point, you'll want to put this hinge against the outside panel here, just like this. Twist this here, and what I like to do is I like to clip in one side right here. Make sure it's all clipped in, and once you get that, you can just clip that other side in. Make sure the hinge slides back and forth smoothly. Once you get that, and extend the hinge so no wire gets trapped or anything, and now you can go ahead and clip along the edges here. Make sure you got a smooth hinge flow, and that's it. Thanks again for watching. If you guys have any more questions regarding this repair, feel free to comment down below or email us. Our email is in the description below. We do also sell thousands of OEM parts, and also we provide a mail-in repair service, so if you guys are not comfortable in this repair, we can definitely do this for you. Thanks again for watching.